What is up? Will here with Rennthusiast, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a visual exterior and slight interior tour of this 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera T in Shark Blue. I'm shooting this video primarily for anybody out there who's looking for like just some footage of Shark Blue paint on a 992 Carrera T. I ordered this car maybe 120 days ago, and part of my decision-making process was clearly paint. I wanted to do Shark Blue, but I couldn't see one in person, so I spent a lot of time on YouTube looking for Shark Blue paint in videos, and there are a couple videos out there, but none of them really showed all angles of the car. So that's what this video is going to be doing for you. So if you're curious about Shark Blue, here it is. I do want to give a huge shout out to Flo Porsche of Charlottesville. That's where I got this car. They hooked me up with the allocation. They didn't charge me over list or over sticker. Those guys are just phenomenal. And so if y'all are watching, thank you so much. So Shark Blue is an upgraded color over the quote-unquote base Carrera T colors. I think it was $3,250. Then you move up to paint to sample. I've heard that paint to sample is suspended right now on the T. I don't know, I didn't really look, but if you were to do paint to sample, you're $13,250 in. I feel as though this Shark Blue paint is sharp enough on the Carrera T to really almost feel like a paint to sample color. It is very bright out here, but at least you're getting a sense for what this paint looks like in bright sun. If you were worried about Shark Blue being too loud or too gaudy or too just in your face, I don't think that it is. I was a little bit worried about that, but I was just so excited when I saw the car in the delivery bay. I'll throw some footage of that up as well. I did not go for the upgraded lip or any of the upgraded fascia. I just decided to leave that stock. I'm gonna now give you some footage of the agate wheels and the agate mirror. This is standard fare on the Carrera T. I do have a little bit of brake dust on these wheels. I put about 350 miles on it since brand new. There are the mirrors. On the T, the mirrors are agate, wheels are agate, so they match. Here's the decal, in case you're interested there. That's a close-up on it. I like it. In one of my build versions, I deleted that, and then I decided to put it back. I am guilty of submitting multiple builds. Each time I was like, oh, this is my final one, and then I lost sleep and rethought it and kept submitting it. So ultimately I kept the decal. I'll be doing an in-depth review of this car in a future video, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should, if you're interested in seeing that. Generally in my reviews, I give a pretty in-depth review of the exterior as well as the interior, and then I take you for a drive. I'm also going to be comparing this car to my air-cooled cars. I feel like there's some similarities, believe it or not. Let me show you the interior. I did go full leather. There's a lot of money to do that. If you're speccing one of these cars, you know. Did race tex. Did the heated leather wheel. The Carrera T seat centers, man, love it. By the way, if you're wondering, this right here pops out. I was kind of curious about that. Rear seat delete. So there you have it. This video is a little bit different from my norm, but I try to put useful videos out there for guys. Probably not a ton of people, but some people who may be looking to learn more about Shark Blue. So appreciate you watching. Hope you got something out of this, and I hope to see you next time.